All right, we're out here fishing on the river, joined by my buddy Jake. So we are fishing a little further up than normal. The river that we're on is currently the lowest I've ever seen it, and I have my trolling motor, so I'm hoping I'm not going to just be dragging a trolling motor and a battery and all that stuff around all day. But it's just a little further up, but we decided just to go a little bit further up and just kind of take our time on some sections, and don't know if they're going to be hitting top water or on the bottom or what. So we'll see. Let's do this thing. Hard to beat the Chopo on the rivers, man. I was trying that knocking buzz bait. Hadn't really had any strikes on it yet. Maybe a big one or something would, but I don't know. I'm gonna catch some fish first, and if I end up catching a bunch of them or a bunch of little ones or something, maybe I'll switch it back out, try it. But let's get some fish going first. There's one. Like a decent hit too. Oh yeah. Oh. Dude, it's a good one. Oh my! Just caught a big one out here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Great fish.
Nice one.
You gonna weigh him?
Let's go, dude.
Yeah.
I'm glad I switched to that Chopo.
Yeah, maybe you should switch back over and leave the big fish, dude. Yeah, baby. That's a good smallie right there.
All right, dude. Nice one. That was fun. That was fun. Let's go.
That was a great fish.
Hey, that alone is worth it. Just that little extra section here.
Yeah, that other one I got?
Yep.
Booyah. Baby.
I'm glad I like this net. I think it's worth it, man. And it doesn't take up that much more room or anything. Whew. That was a good one. Just getting into the float here. Just switched up my lure to the Chopo, and caught that one pretty shallow in this water. Pretty still moving too right here, but pulled out a good one. So maybe the big girls are biting today. We'll see. Oh, bite. Come on, come back for it. There he is. Well, the old topwater bite might still be with us today, which is good. I sleep like a baby. Dude, I'm ready for some Clara's zucchini bread already.
Pumpkin bread.
Pumpkin bread already. We got any chocolate chips in it or just pumpkin?
Oh. Of course it's got pumpkin.
Yeah, you got to.
It looks like there should be a big fella on this.
This hole up here to the left is where I caught. Oh! That was a good hit, dude. That was a good hit. Darn, dude. Dude, that was a good hit, bro. Got one. In the current. Looked like I hooked him sideways. It's a decent one too. He was just hanging out on that slack water. Nice. Oh man, he got injured. What happened, buddy? All right. Whoa. Just got sprayed. Oh, that was awesome. Nice. Man, I'm just glad they're biting topwater today. No, last time I was here, it was in like the middle of the summer and couldn't get them to bite topwater, and it's spring-fed water, so the water's typically cooler. I feel like normally it's pretty easy as long as it's not dead of winter to catch them on topwater here. So I've been wondering about today, but so far they've not had a problem hitting something on the top.
Getting a little tan on your head.
Yeah, that's the one thing Molly asked of me when I came back, was just to even out my... Oh, oh, golly. Man, just had something huge just swipe at it. Gosh. Sometimes these still water sections can be unproductive, but sometimes, I mean, they hold some big largemouth bass. I've got a friend that caught a 6-pounder out here out of this river. So they're in here. And sometimes the big largemouth like to hang in the still sections out from the current. There's one. Yep, largemouth. Decent one. Kind of look like Rocky, all taped up over there.
Yeah.
I might try to fish this a little bit. I just had a little bite back there.
That's a giant fish.
Dude, did you see it? It hit right there. It slapped at it.
Yeah.
And then I stopped it, kept reeling it. It came back and just nailed it.
Oh my god. No shot. Wow.
Jake, I think you should maybe throw that chopo. Dude, I think it's a big fish day, bro. I'm not gonna. Hey, this is why I brought the big net.
Yeah, fair enough.
You know what I'm saying, though? I was able to reach out and grab that thing. Yeah.
Let's go. You got friends in there?
Yes, dude.
Oh wow. Let me get that's a hunk of a fish right there.
Yeah. Threw that chopo right over top of that brush. Dude, that's why I love this river though, is there's some, I mean, there's some good smallmouth. There's some giant largemouth in here.
No thank you. No thank you.
I was doing all I could to help you.
Yeah, you just had a scared look on your face. Thanks for the help.
Largemouth. Just had another strike. There's a good one. Oh, real good one. Yeah. This one might be bigger than the last one. He said, no shot.
Bro, when's it my turn for a big one?
4.58. Can I get another picture? I wish I had the other one, dude. So I could double fist him.
Gosh dang. Bro. I'm freaking throwing my Chapo through there too. It looks good.
It's good. All right, buddy, let's get your back. That would have been so hard to land with that little net. Oh. All right, watch this. Every time I fish this area right here and I won't catch anything, and then I'll cast one right up here where this current starts, and I will always catch a smallmouth. There he is. And there's a smallmouth. Pretty little booger. See that big fish right there? Giant.
Yeah. Holy
giant. All right, whatever side you don't take, I'll go down the other one. Or whatever side you take, I'll go down the other side. All right, Jake, you know what to do. Lip some rips, baby. Lip some rips. Oh yeah, you picked the wrong side. It's a big one. Oh, it's a big one. Jake, I'm so sorry. Another good one. Another good one. Man.
Cheers. Can we get a picture with them together?
Yeah, let's do it. right, buddy. Dude.
Lance, that was a freaking hog and he missed it 2 times.
Oh, get it back out there.
Get off. Oh, and I knew that spot was good too.
Yet again, I buy all these new lures. And come back to the old bone chopper. The old bone 90, baby. Oh, yeah. We're gonna try this. They're gonna be hitting this new thing. No, they're not.
Yeah, I think I'm not gonna buy any more lures.
Oh, look at this. We got a chaser. Yep. I saw that. I saw the wake.
Oh yeah.
The old bone 90 gets it done. You like the 90? See you around. See you next time. Hey, thanks for coming along today. Had a fun day fishing. Probably one of the best fishing days I've had in a long time. It was super strange though, because I was expecting to catch more smallies, more smallmouth, but the largemouth came to play today. So, and it felt like all the big ones too. So I don't know if that's ever happened to you guys. Let me know in the comments. Thought it was super strange. Normally smallmouth are way more active than largemouth, in my opinion, from my experience, but today it was the exact opposite. The big largemouth are just biting like crazy, and super good time. Anyways, thanks for coming along. We'll see you on the next one.